Hey y'all, we're Team Tactical Solutions and my name is Mary Elizabeth Intrican.
Hi, I'm Gina Johnson.
I'm Devin Shea.
And I'm Emily Masserini.
We all had our own expectations in the beginning about what this class was going to be like, but overall, we were excited to get started with the project. One of the first challenges that we had as a group was we had a hard time getting connected to the problem in the beginning because of the amount of terms and problem-specific knowledge that we were missing out on. A majority of our group members did not have a lot of prior knowledge regarding the military and Air Force operations, so there was quite a bit of a learning curve when it came to talking to officials and team members in Joint Base Lewis McChord about what the problem was. We had to get a good handle on all of the terms that they were using and the different processes that they were discussing with us. Personally, I think that it took me at least 3 weeks to get all of the terminology straight and to get a good handle on the problem. But once we all got the hang of the terminology and the problem, it was easier to understand what they were talking about, and our mood about the class improved significantly.
The next obstacles that our team had to overcome dealt with communication. Over the course of the semester, we encountered several difficulties when communicating as a team. However, through these challenges, we learned how to rely on one another, appreciate each other's strengths, and assist when someone needed it. We learned how to openly communicate our needs as a group and how to accommodate all of our different personalities and preferences when completing group work. It was difficult at first because we are all so different when it comes to our past experiences and working styles, but once we got to know each other better, it became much easier to keep everything moving and to allow everyone to have their moment to shine. Learning to extend grace and appreciate one another are valuable lessons that we will all remember in the future.
Some of our favorite parts of the class were the field trips. We were able to travel to a naval base in Meridian, Joint Base Lewis McChord in Seattle, Washington, and to Camp Shelby near Hattiesburg, Mississippi. Having fun as a group made it easier to complete the assignments each week, build on our social skills, and ultimately solve our sponsor's problem. These field trips always came around at just the right time and were a good reset for our group morale. Also, there were so many things that we got to see and do that would not have been possible for us without this class, like using a simulator to see firsthand what it's like to fly as a Navy pilot. On these excursions, we were able to build relationships with people at the base and gain contacts that were so patient and willing to help each and every one of us solve the problems we were faced with.
We started this project with no idea how to help, worked through many obstacles and trials, learned as much as we could about accountability and the systems used for it, interviewed 120 wonderful people, and found a solution that best fit the problem. We then laid the groundwork for proposing and implementing the solution with our problem sponsor and helped to make that process easy. I and all of us within Team Tactical Solutions were happy to assist our problem sponsor, Colonel Doro, and the 446th Mission Support Group. Thank you to our class, Design Solutions for Defense, and our professors for the opportunity.
You have heard a lot and are going to hear a lot more about this project. But if we had to leave you with one word to describe our journey in this class this semester, it would be
Challenging.
Trials.
Enlightening.
and dynamic.